Laura Einsettler, a pilot with more than 30 years of experience. She's also someone who's very familiar with the runways in and out of LaGuardia. Captain, good morning. Good to see you. What was your initial reaction when you heard about this collision?
It's very unusual to have a situation where we're landing on the runway and you have emergency equipment operators on the runway itself. It's highly unusual, and it's very concerning, obviously, from the visuals that we see here.
It is. The visuals is what I can't get over. I just think, Laura, as a passenger, when the plane lands and you have that bump on the ground, I feel instant relief. And I would imagine a pilot feels the same. There just seemed to be a confluence of factors against this guy. There's one person on duty allegedly in the air traffic control tower. Bad weather. This one person is dealing with an earlier emergency. Is there anything based on what you've heard so far, and I know it's still a very fluid situation, that the pilot could have done, that anything could have been done to avoid this?
Unfortunately, with situations like this, it's always a series of events. So we're going to be looking at things like where the communications broke down. Sometimes what happens is the emergency equipment operators are on a different frequency than we are. So sometimes we're not hearing, and especially once we're landing on the runway, as you said, you feel that, okay, we're on the runway, we're on the ground. And as pilots, our job is to then, of course, decelerate the aircraft safely. And we're looking at that point at those speeds to be turning off the runway. So it would be quite a shock for them to see if they even saw the emergency equipment there.
Captain, I know it's important after tragedies like this to not make assumptions or to place blame. But in your opinion, should we be looking at this as a rare incident, or does it point to a larger concern of aviation safety or possibly even staffing issues?
I would say it's all the above. Right now we have so many distractions, and it's so critical to always, have heads up, eyes out, being situationally aware of every situation at all times to help try to prevent as best as we can situations like this from happening. And obviously in aviation, we always learn so that we can always do better as we move forward.
Captain Einsettler, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.